Edye Beans with the Little House of Beans. Today on Cooking with Edye, we'll be making pancake brunch or breakfast. This recipe was recommended by our friend Dorina, who's a member of our Facebook group, Omnia Stovetop Oven Fans. This one's for you, Dorina. I promised you I'd try to make it, and here we go. The recipe and the links to the products you see me using here will be in the description below. Show Little House of Beans some love. Smooshy that like button, hit the notification bell, and of course, please subscribe to the Little House of Beans. We need you to help our channel keep growing. I do have a cookbook available on Amazon and as an ebook, Outdoor Cooking with Edye. Now, I am super eager to try this recipe by Dorina, pancake brunch. Let's start cooking.
Hi, Dorina.
Now, this is our third protein I'm cutting up. This recipe, obviously, if you haven't noticed, is a high protein pancake brunch. I'm using sausage, bacon, and ham. Of course, you could use any meat that you love. Stu's on a high protein diet, so that's why I'm making him these meats. You can actually make this into a sweet recipe. You can add Nutella, bananas, some fruit, anything. This recipe is very versatile.
Can you add blueberries?
Absolutely.
Can you add raspberries?
Definitely.
Can you add boysenberries?
Heck yeah.
What about snozberries?
I suppose.
The snozberries taste like snozberries.
Snozberries? Who ever heard of a snozberry?
So I'm going to use about 5 eggs. I honestly don't know how many eggs this recipe calls for, but let's try 5, and we could always add if we need. I'm just being lazy. I'm using my hand mixer from Cuisinart to beat the eggs. Of course, you could use a fork, a beater, but I was lazy this Sunday morning. The link to this product is in the description below. So these are pre-made pancakes, which I found in the frozen food section in my local supermarket. Now, Dorina, I thought I initially wanted to try it with crepes, which I thought would be fabulous. But I couldn't find it in the store. I was rushing, so I just opted to use pancakes. Now, another idea would be to use French toast if you have some left over. I think that would be a great brunch idea too. But let's use pancakes.
These are the noisiest bags.
The noisiest. Now, these pre-made pancakes that I bought had 24 in this package. I'm experimenting how to lay this in the Omnia because the recipe, the video that Dorina sent us, she made it looked like a flower almost. It was very cute. So let's see if I could recreate it. And I'll let you know exactly how many pancakes I use. I'm overlapping these pancakes to try to recreate the rows that she made in her video. Yeah, I'll maybe press it down. Okay. Well, I'm going to pour the eggs. Let's see how that. And then maybe these two I'll half and put them around like so, but make it prettier. Okay. So we originally started with 5 eggs, and I think for this recipe, I'm going to add another 3 eggs. So I'm going to beat them up right now. Okay, so now this is 8 eggs total.
And that says 1 3/4 cups.
So I wasn't happy with my initial setup. Originally I had all the pancakes down, but then I thought, well, where am I going to pour the eggs? I mean, I don't want them to just sit on the surface. So I opted to do 1 layer, and I'm going to pour some of the egg mixture on this first layer, and I'm just going to keep layering. Second layer of pancakes. So that was a total of 8 eggs. I think I need more eggs. So this is an additional 4, so I have a total of 1 dozen eggs. I didn't put any salt in here because the bacon and the ham, I think, are salty enough. I added some pepper.
This is going to feed an army.
Okay, so now we go to the 3rd layer.
This is a good example of not following a recipe that you know, that you were just kind of flying by the seat of our pants here.
I mean, so what, right? You experiment.
So thank you, Dorina.
Yeah. Is this too much egg now?
It might be.
Oh, Dorina. Okay. So that was 24. I actually used 23.
Pancakes.
Pancakes, yes.
So the only thing that really needs to cook here are the eggs, because all the
Correct.
all the meat is pre-cooked.
Correct.
Not quite the flour I expected.
Well, I think when we flip it over, maybe it'll be pretty.
You're gonna flip this over?
Yeah, I'm going to attempt to.
All right. Any last words?
Send good vibes, Dorina.
Well, I didn't think that it was going to be flippable.
You had your doubts?
I did. Let's cut into it so I can taste it. A little dark on the inside? Yeah. So typical. Not dark where it's not edible though. I'm going to taste it. My opinion, too many pancakes.
So maybe 2 layers instead of 3?
And I think some people would probably like maple syrup on this.
Yes.
For me, it's good, and I'm going to eat it all. For
It's
others, maybe less pancakes.
And more maple syrup.
And add maple syrup.
Yeah.
Good job. Thank you.
Good job, Dorina. Thank you.
We are the music makers, and we are the dreamers of dreams.